Welcome back. This is the second video of the same chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. Means what is the meaning of chapter I explained to earlier? Means we have to classify the materials into proper groups according to their shape and size and according to the properties of the materials. Just recall that what we have done in the first video, we have studied about what is matter, right? Matter means क्या होता है? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Means किसी भी चीज में weight हो और वो जगह रोकता हो उसको बोलते हैं matter. Just take for example, this is the blackboard, right? The blackboard is having mass, means blackboard को weight भी है और blackboard ने पूरी जो wall है उसका space occupy किया है, तो board is a matter, right? Board is a matter. Just take another example, the bed at your home. Bed has also mass. Mass means क्या होता है? weight. और bed जहाँ पे आपने रखा है it also occupies space, so it's known as matter. Then what we have studied that there are three types of matter. First is solid, liquid and gaseous. These are the three different states of matter: solid, liquid and gaseous. The molecules of solid are totally packed and the molecules of liquid are not totally packed but they are free to move, and the molecules of gases are totally free. तो वो कहाँ पर भी move हो सकते हैं. On that video I have explained you through the diagram. Then what we have studied about material means different type of materials can be made by using different objects can be made by using different materials. अलग-अलग materials use करके हम अलग-अलग objects बना सकते हैं. In that I will give an example that wooden chair. तो जो wood है हमारा material है, means wood की help से wood material है और chair है वो हमारा object है. Means wood is the material and chair is the object. Wood का use करके what we have made chair. I also explained that sometimes there are many different kind of materials we can use to make a single object. Means plate. Example I am taking a plate. Plate steel की भी हो सकती है, aluminium plate भी हो सकती है, paper की plate हो सकती है. So these are the three materials, but object is only one. हमने three materials का use करके on a single object we have made. Sometimes only one single material we can use to make one object. For example, paper. Paper we can use to make a book. Paper हम use कर सकते हैं book बनाने के लिए, और कोई दूसरा material हम use नहीं कर सकते हैं book बनाने के लिए, right? But for example, to make a chair, we can use a wood also, the chair of wood. We can use iron also, we can use plastic also. So in such objects like that, we can use different materials to make only one object, and sometimes it also happens like that we use only one material to make a one object only. Then I have shown one table to you that in that different materials we are using for making a object, and also I have given homework to you that you have to search that one object name you have to write, और वो object कौन-कौन से अलग different materials से बना हुआ है you have to search that. Another about solid liquid gas also we have discussed. Now in this session I am going to start a new topic, that is properties of materials. What is the topic of today's learning is properties of materials. The properties of materials are, there are mainly 5 properties are there of material. First is appearance, second is hardness, third one is solubility, fourth is floating, and fifth one is transparency. So these are the 5 properties of materials. First होता है appearance, then second is hardness, third one is solubility, fourth one is floating, and fifth one is transparency. These are the properties of material. Means according to this property we have to sorting the materials into their proper groups, right? Now starting with appearance. क्या होता है appearance में? Which metals are in which materials are included in the appearance? Shiny object and non-shiny object. You know some objects are shiny, but some are non-shiny objects are there. So in this category it's included in which appearance में? Shiny object कौन सा है? Metal, like gold है, silver है. These are the shining objects. And non-shiny object is wood है. Wood कभी shine नहीं करता है. So these are the shiny objects and non-shiny objects are included in the property of appearance. Then hardness. उसमें क्या होता है? Soft material and hard material. You know sometimes we are pressing some kind of materials, तो कोई easily compress हो जाता है, but some materials are cannot compress easily. So they are known as hard materials. The materials which can compress easily by our hands, these are the soft materials. For example, chalk. Chalk I have taken, अगर इसको जोर से compress करूँगा, जोर से press करूँगा, तो it break into two parts. It is chalk is a soft material. But when we talk about hard material, if I have taken a wooden chair, अगर वुडन चेयर में जोर से प्रेस करता हूं तो इजीली वो ब्रोक नहीं हो सकता है बिकॉज इट इज अ हार्ड मटेरियल. और अनदर एग्जांपल वी विल टेक वुड. अगर वुड को हम कंप्रेस करेंगे तो वुड को कुछ नहीं होगा बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी हार्ड मटेरियल. सो सॉफ्ट मटेरियल एंड हार्ड मटेरियल इंक्लूड्स इन व्हिच प्रॉपर्टी, इन द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हार्डनेस. नाउ थर्ड वन इज सॉल्युबिलिटी. तो इन सॉल्युबिलिटी द टू टाइप्स आर soluble and insoluble. You know what is soluble substances? Soluble substances are that substances which can dissolve in water properly. Soluble substance ऐसे substance होते हैं जो पानी में easily mix हो सके, that are known as soluble substances. And what is insoluble? Insoluble you know now clear now. Soluble मतलब होता है mixes with water और insoluble means does not mix with water. The substances which does not mixes with water are known as insoluble substances. Now take an example of soluble substances. If I have taken a glass of water and I will take a pinch of salt, मैंने glass लिया और salt लिया. When I will add a pinch of salt into water, it completely dissolve in that water, right? वो salt पानी में मिल जाएगा. That is a dissolve in water. Now take an example in insoluble. If I have taken oil and a glass of water again, and if I will add oil in the glass of water, तो वो ऑयल उसमें डिसॉल्व नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टेक नेल पेंट, अगर नेल पेंट भी अगर हम डालते हैं इसमें तो वो भी इसमें सॉल्युबल पानी में नहीं होगा, इजीली उसमें डिसॉल्व नहीं होगा, वो ऊपर आ जाएगा. तो उसको बोलते हैं इनसॉल्युबल मटेरियल्स. मींस इन शॉर्ट द सब्सटेंस व्हिच मिक्सेस वाटर आर नोन एज सॉल्युबल सब्सटेंसेस. द सब्सटेंस व्हिच डू नॉट मिक्सेस विद वाटर नोन एज इनसॉल्युबल मटेरियल्स और इनसॉल्युबल सब्सटेंसेस. Now fourth one is floating. Float on water or sink. ऐसे मटेरियल जो होते हैं जो पानी में फ्लोट होते हैं और कोई मटेरियल होते हैं सिंक होते हैं, मतलब वो डूब जाते हैं. राइट, सम मटेरियल्स आर देयर जो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट होते रहते हैं और सम आर sinking totally in water. And last property of material is transparency. It include transparent object, opaque object and transparent object. ट्रांसपेरेंसी ऑफ मटेरियल प्रॉपर्टी में कौन क्या इंक्लूड होता है? ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल्स, ओपेक मटेरियल्स एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल्स. सो दीस आर द फाइव प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मटेरियल. फर्स्ट वन इज अपीयरेंस. इट इंक्लूड्स शाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट एंड नॉन शाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट. सेकंड वन इज हार्डनेस. इट इंक्लूड्स सॉफ्ट मटेरियल्स एंड हार्ड मटेरियल्स. देन थर्ड वन इज solubility. It includes soluble substances and insoluble substances. Fourth property is floating. It includes float on water or sink. And last is transparency. It includes transparent object, opaque object and transparent object. Now I will explain you in deep about each one property. So starting with appearance. Starting first we are going to start from appearance. Take a textbook in your hand now because I am going to explain from your textbook only. We are starting with first property, that is appearance. See on page number 28. Materials usually look different from each other, right? Some materials are वो look अलग-अलग का होता है. Wood look very different from iron. The wood is looking very different from iron. Iron appears different from copper or aluminium. Iron कैसे different है copper और aluminium से? At the same time, there may be some similarities between iron, copper, and aluminium that are not in the wood. मतलब many materials are there around us, but the shape, the size is different of each and every material. It look a very different from each other. But wood और iron एक अलग होते हैं. But sometimes similarities, मतलब कोई बात ऐसी होती है जो same होती है. जैसे आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम सिमिलरिटीज होती है कोई, बट वुड में जो आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम में सिमिलरिटी है वो सेम वुड में प्रेजेंट नहीं है. नाउ एक्टिविटी 3 इज देयर इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. दैट फॉर स्टार्टिंग दैट collect small pieces of different materials. You have to collect some different material small pieces like paper, cardboard, wood, copper wire, aluminum sheet and chalk. Do any of these appear shiny? क्या कोई ऑब्जेक्ट इसमें शाइनी है? यस। सेपरेट द शाइनी मटेरियल्स इनटू अ ग्रुप। यू हैव जो शाइनी मटेरियल्स है उनको आपको ग्रुप में ट्रांसफर करना है। यू हैव टू थिंक बाय योर ओन कि जो मैंने नाम लिए जैसे पेपर है, कार्डबोर्ड है, वुड, कॉपर वायर, एल्यूमिनियम शीट, चॉक है, these are the materials you have to take. You have to think by your own, okay, from this which are the shiny object and which are the not non-shiny objects. Then what do we notice after you have taken all these things? Then what do you notice that इसमें कोई object shiny होंगे but कोई object उसमें से non-shiny होंगे. Materials that have such luster are usually metals. कौन से में luster present होता है? In metals. Metals होते हैं iron, copper, aluminum and gold are examples of metals. These are the example of metals like iron, copper, aluminum and gold. So these are all the shiny objects. Some metals often lose their shine and appear dull because of the action of air and moisture on them. कोई metals अपना luster means shining अपनी खो देते हैं because when we are cutting that materials तो उसका जो air और moisture के साथ mix up होता है तो उससे उनकी luster उनकी नहीं रहती है. Some I am repeating again same point. Some metals often lose their luster and shine we can say or it appears dull. वो dull पड़ जाएंगे because of the action of air and moisture on them. Because air का उस पे moisture हो जाता है. We therefore not notice the luster. We therefore notice the luster only on the freshly cut surface. For example, when you visit an ironsmith workshop, जब आप ironsmith workshop पे visit करोगे, look out the freshly cut surface of metal rod to see if they have luster. तो वहाँ पे क्या देखोगे आप? जो freshly cut rod होगा आयरन का उसमें आपको shining दिखेगी. But after some time, means after 20 minutes or we can say 15 minutes, जब freshly cut होगा, we can see the shining on the materials. बट अगर उसको एयर का मॉइस्चर लग जाएगा, आयरन को अगर खुला छोड़ने के रस्टिंग हो जाएगा तो उसकी जो शाइनिंग होगी वो सारी लूज हो जाएगी. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ वहां पे एयर प्रेजेंट थी. दैट्स व्हाई इफ वी वांट टू सी द शाइनिंग ऑन दिस ऑब्जेक्ट, तो जब फ्रेशली कट होता है तो उसकी शाइनिंग हमको तभी दिख सकती है. इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मटेरियल्स इन शॉर्ट. राइट, मैंने आपको कौन सा मटेरियल में क्या आता है दैट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू एंड आल्सो आई हैव डिस्कस्ड द फर्स्ट property of material in detail, that is appearance. I hope you understood the all properties of material in short, and I will explain all the properties of materials in deep from your textbook only. So up to this you have to watch the videos properly, do your work properly. If you are having any doubt related to this video or any previous video, you can ask from me on online sessions. Thank you and have a nice day.